And hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time to preview this American-made Logan shaper. It's a horizontal shaper with 8-inch stroke. It's called a model PL-40. Again, it's a made in the USA model PL-40, serial number 12ES356, and it happens to be our stock number 7801. The thing that makes this machine unique is the fact that it has a variable speed, as well as the stroke on it goes from 0 to 8 inch, and it may even possibly go 8.5 inch on the ram stroke back and forth. That being said, I'm going to just park right here. Go ahead, Frankie, let's power it up and see what we've got.
Cool.
Hi, Nicole. Okay, so we're going to start out at a slow speed. The variable speed on this will go up to 180 strokes per minute. So we can start at 35 and go to 180. Now you'll notice how we're going to change the speed off of this lever down below. So basically from slow to fast, A to Z. Now these machines are very unique due to the fact that all the parts are still available. They're supported very well. There's a whole network when it comes to the Logan and the Atlas and the South Bend. It seems like a following that's just basically so eclectic, where people just couldn't get enough of these machines back in the day. Now they're very hard to find, very unique. And as well as the fact that all of the common wear parts are still available for this machine. But what makes it really cool is this one here is in awesome condition. So we're going to emphasize on the fact that the condition of this machine is in very nice condition. It runs quiet, it runs smooth, it was extremely well maintained. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit so we can see that. Let me back up a little bit so we can see you doing that feed again. Okay, so specification wise, what we have here is a 0 to 8 on the strokes per minute, or on the length of stroke, 35 to 180 strokes per minute. Now on the feeds, we can go up to 120 feet per minute on the feed. So as slow as 5 thou up to 120. And where I'm going with that is the fact that you can either be adjustable on the speed here, you can be adjustable on the feed here, or the speed here and the feed here. Now as well as the fact that, like you're seeing braking with the wrench, we can either be powered or manual on the cross table going back and forth. Let's talk about the table. The table itself is an 8-inch square. It has 3 T-slots. It's complete with a Chicago, Illinois model number 40. It's a 4-inch opening Palmgren machine tool vise. It has the front support right here. It has the support block. It's also complete with the leveling bolts. So we basically have 4 of the leveling bolts for the stand. It's complete with the stand. The overall weight on the machine is 700 pounds. The power source on this machine is single phase 115. Now the tooling that comes with the machine, we have a great supply of tooling. Here's your original ring and rocker style tool post. Again, here's the Palmgren vise. Scanning over, we have some of the original documentation for the machine, as well as the fact that we have an angle plate, several of the high-speed tool holders. And please go ahead and ask us about the Armstrong holders. We will include some Armstrong holders with it. We'll make sure they're qualified to fit. Here's the T-nut package. But again, when it comes to the model PL-40, quite a selection of things available. Okay, so we also got a hold of the factory, and they sent us out the original owner's manual, which is pretty cool. One last thing I wanted to show off here is the eccentric. Thanks for opening up that cabinet for me, Frank. On the inside here, you can see the eccentric. Let's zoom in on that. Very cool. Thank you. Thank you. All right, so one-stop shop here at Machinery Consultants. Everything from a head of lettuce to a sack of chips. We're out of Salt Lake City, Utah. Our freight rates are phenomenal. Our service is very good. The quality of our machines is exceptional. Please feel free to inquire and ask for a quote on this machine. Again, our website is www.machineryconsultants.com. We have a full service staff here that can answer any questions and help out with anything that you need. We'd love to offer you a price on this machine that will be your doorstep. And until next time, be happy, be healthy. Thanks for shopping with Machinery Consultants. Have a great day. Cool.